Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell Cash App stocks. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to your Cash App mobile app. And from here, we will find this home menu that shows as follow. And basically you can see that there is an option of stocks. And as you can see here in this Cash App sports articles, we can know how or you can learn how you can sell your stocks from here. So basically in the investing tab on your Cash App home screen, which is basically the one that is usually showing, which is the money tab or whatever. And basically then you will need to scroll down to my portfolio. So simply if you got already some stocks, you will find a my portfolio uh, choice, and from there you can start selecting the companies whose stock you want to sell, and basically you will be able to start selling your position, and of course you will need to confirm within an ID or whatever. So here, when you go to your stocks and you have both any stock, you will find only the buy option, and then you can start buying whatever you like. But whenever you have already some stock that are both, the sell option will be added. So then you will need just to go again to your stock and go to the company or search the company that you want to sell. And basically when you go in, you will find another option here that will be saying sell. And basically by clicking on sell, you will see or you will be prompted on uh, the amount that you want to sell or whatever you like. And as you can see, uh, basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.